Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an antonyms quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. She spoke in a formal tone, not and dash 1. What is the antonym of the word formal? The correct option is A. Informal. Question 2. The student was honest, not dash. The correct option is D. Dishonest. Question 3. His reply was polite, not dash. The correct option is C. Rude. His reply was polite, not rude. Question 4. The teacher's comments were encouraging, not dash. That's right, the correct option is B. Discouraging. The teacher's comments were encouraging, not discouraging. Question 5. His behavior during the meeting was respectful, not dash. The correct option is A. Disrespectful. Question 6. The manager's message was clear, not dash. What is the antonym of the word clear? The correct option is D. Vague. Question 7. Her response sounded honest, not dash. The correct option is C. Deceptive. Her response sounded honest, not deceptive. Question 8. The speaker's words were direct, not dash. The correct option is B. Indirect. The speaker's words were direct, not indirect. Question 9. He gave a friendly smile, not a dash look. The correct option is A. Hostile. He gave a friendly smile, not a hostile look. Question 10. His tone was gentle, not dash. The correct option is D. Harsh. Question 11. The politician made a truthful statement, not a dash one. The correct option is C. False. The politician made a truthful statement, not a false one. Question 12. Her letter was formal, not dash. The correct option is B. Casual. Her letter was formal, not casual. Question 13. He stayed calm during the argument, not dash. The correct option is A. Angry. He stayed calm during the argument, not angry. Question 14. The boss was forgiving, not dash. The correct option is D. Revengeful. The boss was forgiving, not revengeful. Question 15. The speaker sounded confident, not dash. The correct option is C. Nervous. The speaker sounded confident, not nervous. Question 16. His comments were helpful, not dash. The correct option is B. Useless. His comments were helpful, not useless. Question 17. She stayed silent, not dash. The correct option is A. Talkative. She stayed silent, not talkative. Question 18. The student's behavior was cooperative, not dash. The correct option is D. Uncooperative. The student's behavior was cooperative, not uncooperative. Question 19. He often praises others instead of dash. The correct option is C. Criticizing. Question 20. The child was obedient, not dash. That's right. The correct option is B. Disobedient. The child was obedient, not disobedient. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.